Exotic places, monkeys, camels, and caves. Oh my! From Gibraltar to Tangier, the contrasts are many. Fish and chips to royal couscous, diabolical monkeys to docile camel. From ports with beer to alcohol-free, this episode is colored with contrasts. Gibraltar! Starship has landed in Gibraltar, and apparently there's some monkeys here, so we're gonna go check them out.
Kelly doesn't like monkeys.
I'm not a huge fan of monkeys. I mean, I like monkeys in theory. I enjoyed all the movies that came out about monkeys in the 80s where like super cool kids saved really smart monkeys from like abuse. I was pretty down with that whole genre. But in practice, every monkey I've met has had a bone to pick with me, so we'll see about these little guys. Here we come, monkeys.
Very territorial. There's 6 packs of them. They're like the gangs, like the mafia. They each have their own territory. You tell them the truth and they'll fight.
Hello, monkey. We survived Gibraltar. We did not fall. We weren't lost within its tunnels, nor were we attacked by monkeys. I was 50% attacked by a monkey. I did have a monkey jump on me.
We're gonna have to get some.
I know.
Good.
I hear a lot of fat on mine.
That is a bit sweet because of the acorn.
Very exciting times. My father arrived last night, and he and David are making very good use of their time already. Check these two out.
And if I dangle upside down, bring me down.
Really? He's already up to mess, which is a good thing because with any boat before setting off on a long journey, checking the various details is absolutely critical. Ensure all the pins are in and the ties are tied and the bolts are bolted. It's exciting stuff. If not a little nerve-wracking. Nice work, Dad.
Pay attention.
Okay, up.
Thanks, Dad, for going up the pole on day 1 of your Starship friendship experience. Definitely raising the bar. Dad was just at the very top. Pretty impressive. We spent a couple of nights here in Gibraltar, and it's a great little place. Lots of character, lots of charm. Definitely requires maybe a day of Gibraltar rock climbing just to see the monkeys. Unless you've got a monkey on board already, in which case you can get Gibraltar done in like maybe an hour or 2 for one of those fish and chips specials they've got in the square. Good stop to provision and head over to Africa. So that's what we're doing. Thanks for a good time.
See ya, Gibraltar. You get all this stuff ready for the sails up.
Hoping for a little wind. We've waited till the slack tide, and now it should be going in our favor as of 1 o'clock. Turned in our direction, so this is good. Okay, you're clear. Yep, up we go. Everything looks good. tell that we have a great crew. Fish on!
I can do a little skipjack tuna again. It's nice as a black fin or a yellow fin. It's the teeniest, tiniest little skipjack tuna. We thought we were timing the current perfectly. Not so much. When there's an outgoing tide in Tangier, that means it's going from the Atlantic into the Mediterranean. Like, totally misjudged that one. So now we're sitting here fighting against the current, which is like 2.5 knots of current. Doing exactly what everyone told us not to do. Don't try to fight the currents in Gibraltar. We're fighting the currents in Gibraltar right now.
I've just been busy editing and I haven't looked up very often, but when I looked up this time, I could see Tangier. Tangier, Africa, that is. Come have a look. That's Africa. That's Tangier.
We crossed Gibraltar and it lived up to its reputation. It's not as friendly as I thought it was.
The sails are down and the engines are on, and that can only mean one thing. We must be getting awfully close. Tangier, a city of opposites, wealth and diversity next to rigid norms and sprawling ghettos. We're just touring past a very small castle. Very small compared to other castles. This one is small, and the owner of the castle will only spend one night a year here. It's too small. The rich and the poor, the prideful and devout, and the sell you anything for a price.
Try this. So good.
Oh, always good. You get orange?
I do.
Fine, thank you.
How much?
Want to try? The climate is perfect for oranges, just like California.
Boy, that's gorgeous.
So nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Camel leather.
Morocco, first to recognize the U.S. independence, Tangier, the chosen place of many political summits and meetings and the signings of important treaties. A land rich with soil and ideal, a land rich with knowledge and with history, with perfect weather and natural beauty everywhere. It goes on and on and on. The Hercules Caves.
I would love to know the history of these. Like, when were these being used?
Hercules Caves. Pretty amazing. The Caves of Hercules. It's hard to love any place where you feel held at arm's length or just so close as you can get your pockets picked. Still, the beauty is in the fine works of art, of craft, of food and music, dance and culture. The feeling is of a city with ancient roots and endless potential.
Tangier, see you later.
See you later, Tangier.
It has been a real experience.
Yeah. Super fun experience overall. A whirlwind, if you will. We came, we saw, we accomplished a lot.
Marina was really nice, super safe.
Yeah.
And we really did have a good time.
Mm-hmm. Now time to sail. Coming up, we embark on our longest offshore sail yet, with almost 700 miles from Tangier to Madeira.